I'm Dr. Nicholas Tedesco. I am an orthopedic oncologist and joint reconstruction specialist with Samaritan Health Services. My training has taken me all over the country. As a result, my wife and I have lived in 26 different places, but since 2015, we are very proud to finally call Oregon home. Like many orthopedic surgeons, my initial interest in this field was sparked by life as a multi-sport athlete growing up and into college. I learned early on the importance of health, movement, and injury prevention. Orthopedic surgery offers the ability to immediately improve the quality of patients' lives through restoration of musculoskeletal system balance, be that with surgery or more conservative measures. The field of orthopedic oncology also allows for the unique opportunity to improve the quantity of patients' lives afflicted with cancer, while simultaneously participating in the continued battle at the population level to improve survivability and ideally cure this spectrum of diseases in the future. I am heavily involved with and value teaching the next generation of surgeons. I currently serve as Co-Associate Program Director of Good Samaritan's Orthopedic Surgery Residency Training Program. I am involved with several research avenues, including grant-funded cancer research and clinical research in joint replacement surgery, to continue to try to improve outcomes and technological advances in these fields. I am a fellow in the American Academy of Orthopedic Surgeons. I am on the faculty of the National Board of Osteopathic Medical Examiners, and I am involved internationally as a committee member for the Musculoskeletal Tumor Society. I pride myself in creating meaningful and long-lasting relationships with my patients. Much of providing quality care involves open communication, transparency, and education, and I strive to provide this type of trust and openness with my patients, in addition to providing the best evidence-based and most up-to-date surgical and non-operative care that my skill set can provide.